Copy trading, the easiest and simplest stress-free way to make money in trading without pulling any weight really. And this is exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. This is the most awaited video that you guys have asked me several times to do, and now I will give you the gems. And of course, by the end of this video, you will know how to strategize and implement your own copy trading method on Bybit. Now, before we talk about copy trading and I show you how you implement it, let's first understand what copy trading is. Copy trading is basically an activity that allows individuals in financial markets to copy positions of master traders. So imagine there is a master trader who you can see their P&L that they are making money constantly in the markets. And you, on the other hand, maybe you're not so profitable or you have never traded before, you don't know how to trade, but you know that there is money in trading to be made and you want to be part of it, right? What can you do? Well, you can simply let the master trader to trade on your behalf by copy trading. Now, copy trading is very different from, say, mirror trading. They're completely two different things, but also copy trading does not allow the trader, the master trader, to get control of your funds and withdraw them and do whatever they want. You can basically control what can be done, and no matter what, the master trader will never have direct control of your funds. So do not confuse this with a guy who just contacts you on Instagram and say, hey, let me trade for you, or they send you an email, let me trade for you, and then therefore you cannot even withdraw the funds at the end and you think that it's real. No. This is completely different. Those guys that contact you on social media are scams. Copy trading is real. So how it works is that you have a trader on a platform that trades and they show their P&L, how much money they're making or losing, publicly everyone can see, and also they can show what kind of assets they will be trading. And you can subscribe by simply clicking a button and even set some sort of controls to make sure that you can copy trade in a specific way that you want, and you can enjoy all the benefits and see the profits come into your account every day. Now, before you look or you participate in any financial activity in financial markets, especially trading, it's very important to understand one most important thing. And what is that? The most important thing to understand in financial markets, guys, is incentive. Why would anyone who knows how to trade and can make money on their own want to trade for you on your behalf instead of just making all the money by themselves? The reason, guys, is capital. So you can be a good trader, but maybe you only have $50,000 under management. So your AUM of $50,000, even if you make 20%, it's not as much money. Let's say you're making 20% every month. You might say, oh, maybe that's not that much. Now, consider this. If you had gone public and let other people to copy your trades and you make them the same 20%, but if you make them the 20%, you can claim 20% of their profit, not the total amount that you make, but you can get 20% or 30% of the profit that you make them. Now you can have access to millions of dollars. Say now you have $10 million to trade with, and if you make profits for your traders, for your investors, it means that you will claim 20% of that profit as well. How beautiful is that? And this is what makes copy trading works. So how I do copy trading right now is simply by following other traders. So recently, Bybit launched their copy trading activities on their platform. And all you need to do is simply click a button and follow a master trader. And I will show you in this video how to do it. Now, for you to be able to do this successfully, number one, you need a Bybit account, which you should sign up with the link in the description below. Use my link because if you do it, there are bonuses of up to $30,000 when you make your first deposit. So it just depends on how much you deposit, but you will be entitled to a welcome bonus. Number two, when you sign up on Bybit, make sure you deposit the funds into the account. A lot of you guys just sign up, but you never deposit. So you need to deposit either Bitcoin, USDT, or whatever cryptocurrency you want to deposit. You can also buy the cryptocurrency on Bybit directly with a credit card, debit card, or sometimes with a bank transfer. And once you do that, you're now ready to copy trade. So I will now show you how copy trading works. If you don't know how to use Bybit, how to deposit and withdraw, I already have made a complete Bybit step-by-step tutorial on how to use Bybit. The link to that is in the description below. And of course, to defeat the YouTube algorithm, guys, destroy the like button. For every like that I get, I will do a push-up. So if you want me to do 1,000 push-ups, let's get this video to 1,000 likes. And subscribe also to Crypto Hustle if you haven't. It's all about making money on this channel, and my followers really do make money. So let's get into it and do some copy trades. All right, so this is the platform called Bybit. It's very simple and elegant. It looks like this. And if you want to copy trade, all you need to do is this. As you can see, I have a tab of menus here at the top, and there is one, it says Tools. If I go on Tools and click Copy Trading, I will now go to copy trading. Do not forget that you can also do this on mobile, on your phone. You can do it. So now you can discover top traders. And at the top here on my copy trading, you can be able to see the total assets that you're using to trade and your P&L. Are you in a profit or on losses? Now, each box here is representing a trader. But let's look at what we can see over here. So this guy here, the czar of crypto, he is number one when it comes to ROI at the moment, return on investment. In the last 7 days, his performance is that he has made 79% profit for his investors. And he has 100 followers that are following him. So that's 100 investors. And here we have ROI in the last 90 days. So this guy in the last 90 days, he has grown this account by 160%, which means all the people that are following him for the last 90 days have made 160% in 3 months. His drawdown is 23.79%. So what is a drawdown? This is a 30-day drawdown. It means that in the last 30 days, the maximum observed loss for the master trader is 23.79%. So the lowest his portfolio has gone from, say, a set parameter has been minus 23%. But overall, obviously, in the same 7 days, he is up 79.68%. What about how much money is he controlling? So this guy, he's currently managing $20,000. He has 19,551 to be specific. So this means assets under management. Different traders allow different sets of capital. Other people want to trade millions of dollars to have millions of dollars under management. Other traders just want to they have specific strategies that only allow for a small amount of funds and they're not too greedy. So if you want to follow this trader, you were supposed to click copy here, but it says full. It means he has closed a lot of people to follow him. So he's not allowing people to follow him, just like this guy here, just like this guy here. And these are the top master traders you're looking at. And there are different master traders here. This is the traders with the highest profit for followers, for example. This is CEO Musk. He's managing $1.6 million. His ROI in 30 days is 20%, and he has a drawdown of only 4.97%, and an ROI in 90 days is 47.8%. So this guy also, you can copy him because he's full. But let's assume that we wanted to copy this guy, AI Alpha, and all I'll need to do is to copy. But make sure you have funds in your account, all right? And I want to follow this guy. Let's click on it. And right here, we can see that in 7 days, his ROI is now 3.7%. And he has a P&L of 443, a drawdown 12.06. He has 806 followers, and he has been trading for 38 days. In 7 days, he's number 570, and this is how his account is playing out. These are some of his followers. This guy has made $1,200. This guy 600. This guy 500. This guy 437. And these are the positions that he has taken. These are the transactions, the coins that he has been buying: Near Protocol, GMX, EOS, Aptos, and several others. All right, and these are the trades. Whenever he makes buy and sell, you can look at what kind of positions he has taken, including the leverage amount. Here we can see that he has taken a long positions at 3x leverage only. So this is very interesting. It's data that you can use before you follow someone. You can also look at statistics of copy traders. These are all his positions and how much he's winning or losing per position. Most of his positions are actually doing well. The losses are very minimal, and he's winning big on different positions here. The one on DOT, on EOS, he has multiple positions on EOS. And you can also do it by contract. Look at what kind of contract is he trading. You need to be aware that these guys are leverage trading. So it's very important, all right? So he's managing, he has his own assets of $2,000, and he has a profit sharing ratio of 12%. Now, let's say that we want to follow this trader on the strategies to make money with him. I'm not going to go deep into looking for the best trader to copy. For the sake of example of this video, I'm just going to copy this guy or lady to show you guys how it works. So here, there is a smart copy trade, which means you just set up the amount you want to give this guy to manage for you, and you're done. You don't have to worry about anything. Just be aware that he will take 12% of profits. So if he don't make you any money, he will not take anything. But if he makes some money, he will be able to take 12% from it. So let's say we want to give him an amount. Let's say $10,000. Well, I actually don't have that much amount in this account. So, okay, I have $600. So I'm just going to give him 500 as an example, right? I give him 500. And this is a smart copy mode, which means I can just click on agree terms and service and copy immediately without even understanding what all the other things are, right? But let's say you want to get nitty gritty to make sure that you can control your copy trading. So we can see here we have 500 as capital. Now it says right here, copy stop loss. So this is the value copy stop loss that you can set amount. This is saying I'm giving him $500, but I'm saying that, look, I'm okay with losing some of it if things go wrong because it's trading. You can lose money also. Let's say I want to set an amount, a maximum amount that I'm willing to lose. So let's say out of this 500, if I'm losing $150, I want to exit this position. This is an example. You can set this in USDT, or you can also set this in percentages. So let's say I want to say, if I am at a loss of 10%, I want to exit, which is $50 of this amount, right? So if I want to set it up at $150 again, I can say 30%. So it means the trade will keep on going, but if I'm not winning and I'm losing, I have a limit to how much I can lose if I start losing. So I love it. And then if you're ready to set it up, you can, let's just give him $100 for the sake of an example, because I have two examples I need to make. And I'll say 10% is my maximum drawdown I'm willing to take, and I'll click copy. Now we are following this trader. That's it. It's up and running. So I will go back to copy trading. And let's choose another trader, and let's go a little bit more advanced because it's very important to know what you're doing. So this guy you see here now, it says followed. We're already following him. Now, let's find another guy who has a very good rate at the moment. This guy here, okay, he's full as well. The money train, he's managing 28,000. I like to go with traders who have a lot more capital under management because they can also kind of influence the market, in my opinion. So this guy has a very low but returns currently, but he's managing a lot of money. So for the sake of example, I'm going to go with this guy. He has good numbers, very promising numbers. So Mickey, he has 300 followers. I'll copy. And let's say we're giving him $500. All right. Now, copy stop loss. I'm willing to lose $100 as maximum, or let's just say 10%. Or I could actually just put 5% even more. Now, this is a copy trading, a smart copy, a simple mode, but you can go advanced copy mode. and say confirm. Once you do that, you now have more settings to set for your trade. So 500 is capital, 5% is the risk limit. You go next, and you also have now more advanced settings that you can choose to lose. So fixed margin. It means that I've given him $500, but I can set how much money should be used per trade maximum. So let's say he's going to open 5 trades. One on Ethereum, XRP, on DOT, on Matic, and on AVAX. Whatever he decides to trade. If he chooses 5 coins, I want to only put maximum $100 per position. Understood? So your margin for each copy position, which means now with $500, he can do 5 trades in one day at $100 per position. Now, how about leverage? These guys use different type of leverage. So if you don't want to get so involved, you can say follow the trader's leverage. You let him control the leverage amount used. Or you can choose fixed leverage. So say, well, maybe he might go crazy and start going in at 10x and 50x or 100x. I don't want to take that much risk. You can minimize and set your own leverage that's fixed. So you can say, I want to only go at 5.5x leverage maximum. That's it. Or whatever you choose. You can even go 2x if you want. And here you can say custom leverage, which means on all the coins that can be traded, you can start setting up how much leverage you want to accept on what coin, because only set amount of coins are allowed to be traded in copy trading. Bybit like to use pairs that have a high liquidity in perpetual contracts. So what I like to do here, I like to control the leverage myself. I don't go beyond 5x because some of these traders can go completely high and they can make you lose money if you don't put control on things, right? So for this one, I will set my own fixed leverage or 5x and confirm, and I agree and read the terms, and I will say copy trading. There we go. Now we have 2 traders that we're copying. If I click on here, it will show me the equity of trades that are being traded. All right. So there's also another cool settings that you can learn. For example, so we're copying these 2 traders. I'll also show you how to unfollow them if you're not happy anymore or if you're done. So let's say we want to follow this guy. These are his statistics and on. If I go to copy, all right, if I go to more settings, there are other things you can also choose, which is obviously the maximum margin, the maximum daily position limit. Let's say per day you have $10,000 or $20,000 capital, but you don't want to risk all of it in one day. You can say per day he is allowed to manage at least $2,000 at a time of your capital per day, right? You can also put stop loss ratio per order, and you can also put take profit ratio, which means the trader might have high hopes of maybe doubling the money, but you can say, look, anytime we hit 20%, I want to take my profit. I don't care about the rest. You can set all that here. You also have maximum slippage per order if you want to, but this I like to just leave it to the trader. And you can also choose what kind of coins you want him to trade. So he can be entering multiple different coins, but you can say, I don't want to enter all the other positions. I just want I want to take position anytime he's trading Ethereum. You can select or if you want, or you can deselect all of them and only select the one you want. Ethereum, BTC, Litecoin, Link, and Cardano. Let's say you feel like these are the ones that have a lot of liquidity and the drawdowns are a little bit lower. And then you can select those contracts. And again, you know how to do the CSL, which is the copy stop loss. And this is the beauty of copy trading, that you can allow someone to trade on your behalf without losing control because of all these controls that you have on your own. And here there is copy guard. So what copy guard means is that if you can turn it on or off, but it basically allows you to maintain a very good entry position. So to give you an example of this is, let's say you have seen a trader who you want to copy. He's already in a position that's doing well. If you just click copy, it means that the trades or your buy orders are going to execute immediately. But sometimes it might not be the best optimal time to buy. So if you check copy guard here, you turn it on, it means that the trading engine will wait to give you the best possible entry in that at that price, which means more likely making you a maker and not a taker in the trade, which a lot of you guys know what that means, especially if you're part of Crypto University. You already know how all this works. All right, now we have talked a little bit about that. Now let's see if we want to stop the trading. We want to exit the copy trading. You can click here. You look at what kind of master traders you have. Here you click on master trader. You can increase investment if you want, and you can also click on them here, and you can cancel copy. Now when you're canceling, you have two options: exit immediately at the current market price, or continue copying the trader until positions are closed. So if you want to exit immediately, you can click on confirm. Or you can wait for him to close his own trades. Therefore, after that, your funds are also going to be disconnected from his account. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to exit now because I don't think these trades have even executed yet. And I'll also go to the other trader because I was setting up these trades for the sake of examples. Actually, this one is very low. I can just leave it as is. Right, and we'll see. I'll share it in Discord how this trade actually performs, the one that we're following, AI Alpha Swing. So that's basically it in a nutshell when it comes to copy trading. I hope you guys implement it. It's fantastic. Just remember, when you're going to sign up on Bybit, to use my link in the description below, and make sure you make a deposit and start implementing this. You can copy different traders, give them different amounts, and then you can stick to the ones that you think they work for you. All right, so lastly, just a reminder. If you want to take trading seriously and start making money from trading as your daily activity, you can learn how to trade from my Web3 Masterclass. It's myself and other expert traders who have put together an incredible course, Web3 Masterclass at Crypto University. Go to cryptouniversity.network and you will learn everything from the absolute beginner stuff of crypto to the most advanced of automated trading, AI trading, and so on and so forth. Even NFT trading is in there, right? So to everybody who want to take their trading life seriously in crypto, I recommend you go to Crypto University and take the Web3 Masterclass. On top of that, we have a private Discord server where traders are sharing everyday alpha in there of what's the best possible positions to buy and also what kind of NFTs to trade. So if you also want to be part of that tight community where every week you got a session with master traders, you can ask questions and they can guide you and you can follow what they're doing. And you can also implement copy trading, or also you can become a master trader on a platform like this, right? In which my own copy trading profile will be listed on Bybit very soon, and you guys will also be able to copy my trades. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on the next video. I hope you found this very helpful and you're going to implement all these learnings in your own trading and start making some real money. I'll see you on the next video, and peace out.